Hello, everyone. I am Joel Camargo. I welcome you all back into our billing and sales module. Now, in this video, I'm showing you guys the function of how to register and copy a sales order. All right, we're going to be registering the customer's information, making that registration, and then we'll head on to add the products to that order. And once we're done with the order, we'll go back in, copy that order, and make any modifications as desired. Okay, let's head on into Proteus. All right, so here we are in Proteus. You can see we're clicking on updates. As we're placing an order, you're gonna find orders under updates down here. You click on orders, you can see some of the type of orders you can make. The one that we're making today is just a regular sales order. So we click on that. That's the sequence for you guys: updates, orders, sales orders. Here you can see the sales orders we have in the system. So the number, the customer that it's going to, the unit, delivery unit, PO number, and so on. All right, tracking information. We're going to click on add button on the top left. You can also see edit, view, and other actions. We'll click on other actions later, but add, we're going to click on add to make a register. Here you can see the number. You can see that this has the order type and the customer. You see once again the asterisk. This is again mandatory field. All the fields with the asterisk are necessary for the creation or registration of this customer's order. Okay, so you can see once we pulled up the customer, it automatically filled out some of the other fields, such as the unit. Let me turn my camera off to not block anything, such as its unit, the delivery code, customer type, and so on. All right, you can see some of the other information we're filling out are the payment term. This is the, if it's on demand, payment condition. Okay. We're gonna go and select a price list for this customer. So what is the pricing that we are charging this customer? Okay, and so on. There are a couple other fields that you can fill out to customize this registration. But here in the bottom, we are now adding our product. Okay, so we're gonna find through this button, we're gonna click and select what product it is that we are adding to the order. You can see here it's finished good Z13. The quantity and so on, the price, all of that shows up right here. This is the total value. Here we can change the outflow, inflow type. All right, what else? A couple other things for us to change, but we are gonna add more products in here. So here you just add all the products to your sales order. We're adding this other product, that quantity, and so on. But this is the field on the bottom part of this where you can select the products for your order. And we're just doing so with a couple more to be an example. All right. And then we'll click on the top right corner to save. All right. And that has saved our sales order. We'll cancel. And you can see right there, view. We're going to click on view to visualize that sales order. Confirm. There you go. And here on other actions, you can see functions such as search, delete, barcode, copy, return, so on. All right, caption as well for you to understand what that green bubble is. But copy, we are going to click on that. This is if you're just gonna make a sales order. We're gonna be making multiple orders that are similar, same product, same customer, and so on. So you just come here and you can change the quantity. Change that. You see it updates the total value and so on. And then we just save that total that sales order as we desire. All right, thank you guys for watching. That is it, pretty straightforward. I will catch you guys on the next one.